What's good? Got a remote repair today. I'm looking at a Moto 150cc scooter. Owner says it was running about 10-11 months ago, so last summer. Can't get it to turn on and no start, so run through a quick diagnostic, see what we can find, and hopefully we can get this thing running today. Well, we've got a new battery installed. We got a test fire, but it needed a little bit of carb work. The main jet and the pilot jet had some debris and some occlusion, so we're going to try and get a first start. I'm going to get you to pull the brake. Get the